think you need to write them down. These points, I think they are very important. And like me, you also should always keep the notepad and pen ready with you when you sit for the lectures. Note down certain points because they are extremely important while you sit and draft the actual reports.
Right.
Please proceed, sir.
Right, sir. Start strong. Beginning is the most important part, as we have already discussed. So I skip it. Make it easy for editors. જેટલું કામ એડિટોરિયલ્સને ઓછું કરવું પડશે એટલા વધારે ચાન્સીસ છે તમારા રિપોર્ટ સ્વીકારાઈ જવાના.
Exactly.
I am talking on the point, I am talking this thing for the students of journalism. But if I talk for the students of commerce,
Okay.
Or on the examination point of view, I can say that જેટલું કામ પરીક્ષકને ઓછું કરવું પડશે એટલા વધારે માર્ક્સ મળશે. So there should
You
not
make it
be
easier for them.
Yeah, there should not be so many scopes of editing the report.
Exactly.
So make it easy for editors and for examiners also. The third thing, think like the reader. આ report તમને વાંચવો ગમશે? As a reader, think it and then draft it. For make it relevant, you can talk to somebody, you can get total information, you can go for the figures collection and add it into your press report. So it will make your report relevant. Support your story with real facts. Again, this is the thing of honesty, as Sarvayaji mentioned. Be concise. Brevity is the soul of wit.
Exactly.
Conciseness must be there. So don't use superfluous adjectives, extravagant language and unnecessary cliches.
Simple in
yeah,
language.
simple language, because we are writing for the last reader. We are not writing for the class.
Exactly.
And that's why this is called mass media, not class media.
Gandhiji similarly said that simplicity is the most tough thing,
I know.
That is the toughest thing.
Toughest
To
thing,
be
yeah.
simple is very complex.
Exactly.
Right. Avoid jargons.
Okay.
Right. Avoid exclamation marks. Right. Exclamation marks should not be used frequently. If you want to use exclamation mark, use only one, not more than one, because it will force our readers to doubt us. Give full form of abbreviations. This is, I think, the most important part in the
To make
press
it
report.
clear and,
Yes. Suppose, for example, UGC, University Grant Commissions, RMC, Rajkot Municipal Corporation, AIMPLB, All India Muslim Personal Law Board, NEC, IAMA, SES, JNNURM, Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission.
ક્યારેક એવું થતું હોય કે સેમ એબ્રિવિએશન ના
એકથી વધારે meanings હોઈ શકે.
meanings હોય
Full
તો
form
આ
હોઈ શકે.
ક્લેરિફિકેશન થી થોડું
Definitely. પણ જે abbreviations એકદમ popular છે, we all know, we should not clarify it.
હા,
We
એની
should
જરૂર
not
ના
give,
પડે.
suppose SC,
હા,
Supreme
એ
Court,
બરાબર છે,
HC,
right.
High Court,
હા, એની જરૂર ના
CBI, CM, PM, VC, WHO.
Exactly.
We should omit this, right? એના full form આપવાની જરૂર નથી.
look at the slide once again please. પાછળની slide જરા
Yes.
આપણે એકવાર જોઈ લઈએ.
I think these are the common abbreviations: SC, HC, CBI, CM, PM, VC, WHO, IPL, BCCI, BJP, BSE, NSE,
Exactly.
Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. તો આ પ્રકારના એબ્રિવિએશનના ફૂલ ફોર્મ આપવાની જરૂર
ના પડે.
નથી હોતી. એડ સમ પિંચ ઓફ સોલ્ટ. લખાણમાં કંઈક એવું હોવું જોઈએ જેથી એ લખાણને ટેસ્ટી બનાવે. અને આના માટે હું કુલદીપભાઈને ઇન્વાઇટ કરીશ કે what is this pinch of salt? How this pinch of salt should be added into our writing or drafting of press report.
He's the
Kuldeepbhai,
most
please.
authentic fellow we
definitely.
have in the
He is
studio
authentic
today.
And we should take his
Surely.
yeah.
તિવારી સાહેબ આપ થોડી વાત કરો આના ઉપર કે જેને અમે સાદી ભાષામાં મસાલો કહીએ
મસાલો
તો એ મસાલો છે એ સારી વસ્તુ છે કે ખરાબ વસ્તુ છે
અને કઈ રીતે
કેટલી
add
હદે
કરવો?
અને કેવી રીતે?
Yeah, કેટલી હદે, that is most.
પ્લીઝ.
ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ આઈ વુડ લાઈક ટુ સે દેટ ધીમંતભાઈએ ખૂબ જ સારું પ્રેઝન્ટેશન આપ્યું છે. આટલું પ્રિસાઇઝ પ્રેઝન્ટેશન પણ હોઈ શકે કારણ કે આટલો વાઇડ સબ્જેક્ટ છે. દેટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો અ ગ્રેટ થિંગ.
અમારી જોડતી કડી છે ને, હી ઇઝ ઓલ્સો અ લેક્ચરર એટ ધ સેમ ટાઈમ હી ઇઝ અ કોરસ્પોન્ડન્ટ એઝ વેલ.
સો that is the advantage of a
Yeah,
reporter. Being a reporter,
exactly.
you can
Actually,
be very
sir,
precise.
I'm nothing else. I am a hard worker. Our students also can do the same thing if they work hard.
That is one of the tips,
Yeah,
huh? Hard
yeah.
work.
Uh,
Please.
before I get on the topic કે મસાલો કઈ રીતના નાખવો
કેટલો નાખવો?
કેટલો નાખવો કઈ હદ સુધી નાખવો એનાથી પહેલાં હું કહેવા માંગીશ that because of the background from commerce, I did my graduation in commerce.
Okay.
Then I proceeded for my masters. It actually helped me a lot. Because, as Deeman Bhai said, a news report has to be very precise and to the point. With due respect to all the other faculties, but કોમર્સના સ્ટુડન્ટ હોય એટલે ઓછામાં પતાવે એમ કહેવાય ને કે they are into figures, facts and figures. So it helps them in journalism also to write exactly what is required. Coming back to the subject, that to add a pinch of salt is what? We cannot change the facts and figures. It
Right.
has to be what it is.
Yeah.
If a report says that there is a natural calamity, for example, earthquake, and 1,000 people have died, you cannot change the figure.
Figure, right.
If it is 1,000, you have to mention 1,000. You cannot write 2,000 or 3,000. And that has to come from an authentic body, like Gujarat government, for example. So you cannot change the figures, first thing. What you can add as a salt or as a
Yeah,
flavor
garnishing.
is that what government did as an action to it. What readers want to know is what has happened after it. Whether the government was active or not, who all chipped in, who all tried to help those people, how many kids died, how many women died, because we Indians are as such sensitive about kids. So this is all things we can add as a flavor. But again, such incidents, I would say we cannot say that we would like to add lot of salt in it.
Yeah. You are not actually manipulating.
We are not manipulating.
It's not manipulation.
हाँ.
એ એક ખોટો concept હોય છે.
हाँ,
But this is
exactly.
not manipulation.
Not manipulation.
Okay. Yeah.
Kuldeep, can we say that this adding a pinch of salt can be a mouthpiece of people's expectation?
Exactly.
Of course, yes.
Very
Yeah,
much,
yeah.
very much.
They are eager. They are waiting
Yeah.
for that.
Because our newspaper speaks on behalf of them.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So that is, I think,
Exactly.
pinch of salt.
We take quotes and comments, we take photographs of people in the report, wherein we say that, a person living in satellite area feels this, or a person living in Vastrapur experienced this thing during the earthquake. So he is representing the entire mass of that area. So we can relate to it. Adding to the salt, I would say there are other incidences like, for example, Commonwealth Games are going on right now.
Yeah.
And someone from some industry has done something great for the Commonwealth Games. So therein we can play up with that thing. We can say that this person belongs to this industry. He has contributed to Commonwealth Games in this way. So that is an addition that we are doing to the report. And we are trying to mention that what is his background, how he has chipped in for the Commonwealth Games. So this we can say that this is how we can add to the report, something new. As such, Dhiman Bhai has explained everything in detail. Still, from my experience in the field, I would like to share few things. Difference between press release and news. For example, some NGO has given a report to the news agency, let's say PTI or our newspaper, for example. They give us the information. The information has to be converted into news.
Right.
News as in what is for the readers here. If an NGO has started something, for example, they are giving free treatment to underprivileged kids,
Yes.
health hygiene issues. So, how it's going to affect us? We have to see that how we can get out this, this information from them and put it into the report and let people know that if they want to contribute to the NGO, they can do from this report. We are not the advertising agency, we are news providers. So we have to be very specific about the news. First thing, he mentioned about 5Ws 1H, that is who, what, where, when, why, and how. In the introduction, in the first paragraph, that is of about 40 words, precisely, if you can give it, that's nothing like it. That is the best way to give entire information in 40 to 50 words. Then your copy would be interesting. People would like to read it. Your examiner will come to know that you are talking sense. Your information is very accurate. That is the benefit of giving entire thing in first paragraph, 5W1H.
Right. It's very good, Kuldeep bhai. You are talking in the terms of the number of words.
Number of words, very precise.
Can you say the total number of words suitable for the whole press report? Though it depends on the report.
Yeah, of course, it
Yeah.
varies
Exactly.
also.
I think it should be around 300.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
What about 300?
A decent,
that is always required.
a decent copy is of, if it's a news, purely news, it has to be around 250 words.
250.
If it's a special story, as in you are trying to give a special information about something that has happened in the city or let's say in the country, then you can go up till 350 or 400 words at the most,
Okay.
including the headline,
Right.
intro,
yes.
the middle part, the body, and the conclusion.
Fine. Let us go for the remaining part of my presentation,
Sure,
and that
sure.
is very important. We are supposed to talk on title, because without talking on title, our presentation or this session would be incomplete.
I know.
Right.
Exactly.
Please proceed.
So let me talk a little about the style. The language should be easy. It should be grammatically correct. It should be free from unnecessary details. We should avoid the passive voice.
Exactly.
It should be in the journalistic style of clear, direct, and concise statements.
Okay.
Right, sir? Our report should be reportorial and factual, not opinionated. So our likes and dislikes, our opinions have no place in our report. We should be off our likes and dislikes. Let us talk about the title. The title must be appropriate, short, and catchy. Appropriate means it should be related to main news and imposed approach. Short means very clear, no need to explain. Catchy means either surprising, shocking, simply beautiful, or attractive. Sometimes we can use a beautiful quotation as a title, and sometimes we can add subtitle also to our report. Let's have some examples of appropriateness. For example, city will not run into water scarcity, mayor. So it is of human interest. These are the examples of short titles. Knighthood for Sikh judge.
Okay.
Jyoti Basu's condition stable. Quack shakes northeast. Just 3 words and a beautiful title. Hike in bus fares, taxes likely.
Okay.
Gagan's Gold Rush continues, the Commonwealth Games. Examples of catchy titles. Airspace closed for 5 hours. It should arise, it arises curiosity in the mind of the readers. What is the reason? And they will go through the report. A terrorist plotting attacks identified. It gives the sense of relaxation to the readers. The coolest device of the decade. It is surprising. 11 children test positive for swine flu.
Oh.
This title is alarming. This hospital has a heart. Human interest. So these are the very beautiful examples
catchy
of
titles, yeah.
catchy titles. And these are the examples of quotations.
Quotation titles,
Yeah.
as you said.
A degree not enough. Getting gainful employment is key. The governor of Gujarat said, announced while he visited Saurashtra University, I want to play Shah Rukh Khan's DDLJ role in future. This is Gujarat riots issue is a dead horse. and we are handing over the state to Youth Congress. So these are the examples of titles. These are the examples of subtitle. Ganesha images sans a brushstroke. This is a title, but you will notice a subtitle above the title. So these are the example of. Now important verbs to be used in the title: announce, launch, acquire, introduce, celebrates, enter, open, make, warn, joins, add, witness, host, declare, release, defend, report, favor, unveil, appoint. So these are some verbs that can be used in title and in the press report as well. Now I would like Kuldeep Bhai to speak about the practical importance of this topic, and I mean please talk on career.
Yeah,
Talk about the career of journalist.
Though we are running out of time, actually,
Yeah.
we have to end up this session by 10. It is getting very interested myself, forgetting the time factor. तिवारी साहेब બે લાઇનમાં આપ વાત જો કરી શકો કે કરિયર જર્નલિઝમ કારણ કે આપ મીડિયામાંથી આવો છો અને અમારા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ પણ ઘણા હોય છે દે આર લુકિંગ ફોર ધ કરિયર ઇન જર્નલિઝમ તો કંઈ આપને વાત કહેવી હોય તો બે વાક્યમાં હું રિક્વેસ્ટ કરું છું આપને કે કહી શકો તો પ્લીઝ ઇટ વિલ બી વેરી નાઇસ ઓફ યુ.
સમય મર્યાદાને ધ્યાનમાં રાખતા બે વસ્તુ જ કહેવાની રહેશે. એક ટાઇટલ માટે હું એક પહેલાં કહી દઉં કે એક સ્ટુડન્ટને કદાચ એ પણ કન્ફ્યુઝન હોઈ શકે છે કે હેડલાઇન પહેલાં આપવી કે સ્ટોરી પત્યા પછી આપવી. તો મારું પર્સનલ એવું સજેશન છે કે હેડલાઇન હંમેશા પછી આપવી જોઈએ. કારણ કે જ્યારે તમે આખી સ્ટોરી ડ્રાફ્ટ કરી લો છો અથવા રિપોર્ટ ડ્રાફ્ટ કરી લો છો ત્યારે તમને ધ્યાનમાં આવે છે કે આમાંથી જે ક્રક્સ છે અથવા તો જે કેચી પોઈન્ટ છે જે ધીમંતભાઈ કહી રહ્યા હતા એ શું છે અને તમે એને ન્યાય આપી શકશો. યુ વિલ ડુ જસ્ટિસ ટુ ઇટ.
That's a nice tip.
Again, as he said, we are running out of time. I will just say that for career, journalism, I think this is the best way to go ahead with this. જો તમને એવું લાગતું હોય કે તમે સમાજને સુધારી નથી શકતા પણ જો તમને એવું લાગતું હોય કે તમે એમાં કોન્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરી શકો છો તો તમે આ લાઇનમાં આવવું જોઈએ. આ એક સીડી છે. જો તમે એક સારી ન્યૂઝ ડ્રાફ્ટ કહી શકો છો, તમારામાં એ સમજ હોય irrespective of any stream, science, commerce, arts, that is not the priority. If you take little bit of formal training, that is masters તમે કરો અથવા પીજી ડિપ્લોમા તમે કરો જર્નલિઝમમાં, તમને એક થોડું સારું બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ મળશે, તમને એનો આઈડિયા આવશે અને ખૂબ જ પ્રગતિપૂર્ણ આ એક લાઇન છે જેમાં તમે જઈ શકો છો. ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિક મીડિયા છે, પ્રિન્ટ મીડિયા છે, રેડિયો પણ આવ્યું છે, હવે તો ઇલેક્ટ્રોનિકમાં ઇન્ટરનેટ પણ છે. There are a lot of scopes. You can choose this as a career, but subject to if you are interested, if you are ready to run, if you are ready to explore the world, this is the best line to take.
Wonderfully said, Tiwari Sahib. We are truly obliged